The transmission hot wait 5 minutes warning appears when your Ford vehicle's transmission fluid temperature exceeds safe operating limits, typically activating between 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. When this temperature threshold is reached, the powertrain control module responds by displaying the warning message, limiting power output, and potentially engaging limp mode to prevent catastrophic transmission damage. The warning can be triggered by several types of issues. Mechanical problems include clogged transmission coolers, low or degraded fluid levels, and internal transmission wear that creates excessive friction and heat. Electronic problems can also cause false warnings, including faulty temperature sensors, PCM calibration issues, and damaged wiring harnesses that provide incorrect temperature readings to the control module. Environmental and usage factors also contribute to overheating, including heavy towing beyond the vehicle's rated capacity, prolonged stop-and-go driving in hot weather, and aggressive driving patterns that stress the transmission. This warning appears most frequently in specific Ford models, including the F-150 from 2017 to 2024, Explorer from 2016 to 2023, Edge from 2015 to 2023, Escape models with turbocharged engines, and Bronco Sport from 2021 to 2024. Understanding this warning system helps Ford owners recognize when their transmission needs immediate attention to prevent costly damage and ensure safe vehicle operation. When the transmission hot warning appears, your immediate response is critical. First, safely pull over and stop the vehicle as soon as possible. Turn off the engine immediately and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling period allows the transmission fluid temperature to drop and prevents further damage. After the cooling period, check your transmission fluid level. Use the dipstick or fluid level screw as shown in your owner's manual. Low fluid is a common cause of overheating. Inspect around the transmission for any visible fluid leaks. Look under the vehicle and around the transmission pan, cooler lines and connections for signs of red or brown fluid. If the warning persists after basic checks, professional diagnostics are necessary. Level 1 diagnostics include scanning for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD scanner. Level 2 diagnostics involve more advanced testing. This includes transmission cooler flow tests, cooling fan operation verification, and temperature sensor resistance testing. Common fixes vary in cost depending on the root cause. Transmission fluid changes range from $150 to $300 and resolve about 45% of overheating cases. Cooling system repairs include transmission cooler replacement costing $300 to $800 and cooling fan motor replacement ranging from $200 to $500. Electronic fixes include temperature sensor replacement costing $100 to $250 and PCM software updates ranging from $100 to $200. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance following Ford's recommended service intervals can prevent 70% of transmission overheating issues. Remember that proper towing practices and early intervention when warnings appear are crucial. Using qualified technicians familiar with Ford transmissions ensures the best repair outcomes.